don't want to go down any farther than you have to. And then when you get the tines put down where you want them, then you can adjust your gauge wheels by pulling this pin and taking this plate and adjusting them down. And we prefer our gauge wheels to be run on the ground. Some other brands will tell you they want them, not touching the ground, and just, so we want ours on the ground most of the time. So just drop it to the ground and then set it, and then you want both sides in the same hole. Also make sure that both sides of the plate are, they should come from the factory correct, but in case they don't, or if they get taken off or whatever. But make sure that these are on there. You see this one's a little lower than this one, so don't have the other one flipped over. You want them both the same direction on that. Another thing that the balers, this bolt here, it's just a stop bolt is basically what it is. And it typically comes out of the factory fairly high here. We like to adjust this down. It's a 17 millimeter wrench. Everything's metric on here, guys, okay? And get that bolt head down to just above the opening slot. And basically, what it's there for is if something would go wrong with the mesh system and the actuator would be going boom, 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 it's not so we'll beat out the side panel. That's really what that's for. If you're going to get in there and work inside the baler around where that knife is, that's a serrated knife to cut the mesh. It is sharp, it's all get out, but it's a lockout system. You can refer to in the operator's manual to make sure that doesn't drop on you. That's happened to somebody before. It can really slice somebody up bad. So make sure and point that out to a customer if you go out and a demo probably not necessary, but that never hurts. So